No.
Mass, dude.
Oh, I get it now. There's one artist I know, Izzy.
You're stupid idiot.
Fuck off. You hate me. You hate my ass. What was the prompt again?
Crunchy. Crunch. Yeah.
Oh, I get it. Oh no, I don't know.
keep typing typos. I keep in typos area.
No, not getting this one. Sorry.
Oh, I get it.
How do I make my mic sound loud?
No,
It's like
no,
shit.
no, I was close. I misspelled it.
Sound is pretty crunch when you think about it.
It's pretty crunchy. Okay, guess me the IO. What is this?
Yeah, I don't know.
Come on, guess me.
Best when you won with nom 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 by Penny.
I got 4th place. I'm pretty sure.
No, you got first.
Good enough.
No, I didn't.
My bad.
I'm creating a room.
No, I'm creating. I have one too. I have one.
Oh, you got a reward?
Yes.
I hate myself.
How do I name myself?
Wait, holy shit, it works.
Yes, I'm ready.
How did you change your name?
Wait, what is it? Yes, see.
How do you change your name? You click the change name button.
I said
You
enter
go to
name.
you go to profile.
I don't have a profile.
What?
How do I join?
I clearly didn't think I didn't think I had one either. But... Okay, I might change my name to Master. Oh wait, can I do fancy stuff like? Can I type in like? Oh,
Okay,
How do you guys change your name?
let's screenshot like your screen and then show it to me.
Yeah.
Hey, look, my cat face has ears, and yours doesn't.
Oh, special.
do you like the...
How?
Okay,
Oh.
so
There we go. You change your you see enter your name, you highlight it, and then you change your name.
What?
You see that's a screenshot of what you see on
You click ready.
Yes.
alright. So
Oh, you
you're
just-
telling me
You could just
Yeah.
say
that
that.
Tangy picked loads of money when Is There Really No Happiness available, and a Frost Children song.
Oh yeah, they did have children.
Wait on, wait, what? Because, Haney got who? Waves, right?
Jello.
Oh, okay. Okay, what are the song options then? Hey, let me check.
At Frost Children and Porter Robinson, they picked.
Porter Robinson doesn't even sound like a name anymore. It really just sounds like.
I'm not gonna lie. I probably would have also chosen loads of money.
I probably would have. Yeah.
Honestly.
What type
like,
of quiz y'all want to do? Music?
Okay, who's Bob LePonge and who's Bobby Jump?
I'm Bob. I'm Bob LePone.
I'm Bobby
Okay.
Jump.
Because this is all about guessing what your friends say.
Oh, maybe I should change my name then, huh?
There's a couple of stupid ass quizzes on here. Hold on.
You and your friends are supposed to
Yeah.
guess each other's answers. Okay, maybe I should change my name to something normal.